Hello friends, this is an old Milton tiffin box cover case and I would like to reuse it probably as a planter. So I'm just going to repaint it and let's see how it turns out to be. So here is my first coat of white acrylic color. So I'm just going to give two coats. As you can see, two coats of white acrylic color is done and it is dry. So now I'm going to use this blue color and with the help of a sponge I'm going to dab it on this. This is going to be in the center. You can see I've just dabbed the center part of the case, and here is a decoupage paper which I had bought very long ago. So I just wanted to use this somewhere, so I thought I will use it here. So here I'm tearing this tissue paper like this, and with the help of Fevicryl Mod Podge I'm going to stick this onto the outer case. I will now apply a coat of Mod Podge over this and allow it to dry. I tried drawing some figurines like this with the help of cello permanent marker, but on this surface it didn't go well. So I am going to just draw directly with the help of a brush, and as you see, we can draw like this using the brush directly. Now with the help of black acrylic color and a brush, I am just going roughly drawing some figures. Now I am just bordering the upper part of the case with some acrylic colors, and now it is ready. So this is the final look. I have applied a coat of Mod Podge over this after it has become dry, and hope you all like it.